Good afternoon, students. So today we'll learn EVS. So in the EVS lesson, we will learn about living in a family. So you know how many people are living in your family, if it's a small family or a big family or a joint family. Joint family means your uncle, aunt. If you have many uncles, aunts and cousins, they are called joint family. See, and small family means mommy, daddy and you, or if you have a sister or a brother, so it's called small family. Okay, so in this lesson you can see grandmother, grandfather, cousins are called joint family. Okay, so our father and mother are our parents and children make a family. Okay, they live together in a house. Some families are small and some are joint. Small family is made up of father, mother and one or two children. Okay, so that's how I told you. Small family means father, mother and you or your brother or your sister. Okay, so joint family is made up of many people living together in a house. Father, mother, children, grandchildren, grandmother, uncle, aunt and their children living make a joint family. Okay, so see, learn us about family member joint family. Our grandparents and parents of our mother, father, brother and brother or uncle. Okay, our uncle's wife is our aunt. Our mother's and father's sister is also aunts. Our cousins are the children of uncle and aunt. Now see, you can see the classroom activity. So this will be your activity. Okay, if you don't have the EVS workbook, you can write down in your notebook. Make a separate notebooks for each and every subject. Okay, tell the class more about your family. So you have to tell me about your family. Okay, so now you have to tell me about your family. Okay, so like this, my name is Jenny. I belong to small family. There are 4 members in my family. I have one brother, one sister. I call my father daddy and I call my mother mummy. Like this you have to say. So I want all of y'all each activity on your video. Okay. So now see here below. You can see here below. See. In exercise, answer in one word. Now this is about yourself and your neighbor who is living next to you. So now, is your neighboring family small or joint? Now you have to tell me if your neighbor family is small or big. Like if your neighbor's family are big, so you have to tell me it's a joint family, and if it's small, then you have to tell me small family. Okay, this is yours activity, you have to do it. Okay, one answer I've already written. What do you call your grandmother? Dadi. Are you elder or younger child of the family? Elder means bada, younger means chota. Okay, if you are elder or younger, you have to write here. So yes, you have to write. What do you have to write? Yes. How many cousins do you have? Now you have to tell me how many cousins. So cousins means your daddy's brother, your mommy's sister, they are also cousins. So anyway, both are cousins only. How many members are there in a friend's family? Now you have to check who is your best friend, who is your friend. So you have to write their members in their family. So this will be your activity and your homework. So the second one is fill in the blanks. Now my aunt's children are cousins. My mother's sister is my aunt. My father's brother is my uncle. My mother's parents are my grandparents. So grandparents can be from both the sides, from daddy's mommy and mommy's mommy. So both are grandparents. Oh, now you can see here. See, paste your photographs of the member of the family. Now in this only I will come to know how much big family of yours it is. Okay, so you have to, if you have uncle, aunt, cousin, brother, cousin, sister, then brother, sister, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, this photograph you have to stick and you have to show it to me. So we'll go to the next lesson, chapter number 10, work and fun in family. So work and fun means you have to work also and you have to do fun also. So fun means like you can spend time with your parents, your grandparents, then your mummy. If she's cooking, then you can go and help her. If she's going in the market, so go with her in the market, but not to buy for your things. You have to take care of what she's buying. So you also have to understand what vegetables, fruits she's buying. So parents love, protect and take care. Father works and earns money for the family. So daddy goes to work and earns money for y'all. Okay. And mother and father take care of the house. Mother cooks food for our family. Father helps mother to keep the house neat and clean. So even daddy and mummy both keeps the house clean. So you also should be keep your house clean. Don't mess the house with all throw the garbage or some paper over there. If you saw anything, pick it up and put it in the dustbin. Some mothers also go to work to earn money. Some mummies also go to work. Means मम्मी लोग काम पे भी जाते हैं, डैडी काम पे जाते हैं तो मम्मी भी काम पे जाते हैं. ड्यू टू इनसफिशिएंट ऑफ मनी कभी रहता है तो दोनों काम पे जाते हैं. ओके. Parents give us a home to live in, a good food to eat, clothes to wear, toys to play. We should share our toys with another. See, our parents give us such good things. So, whatever toys we have to share it. Okay, like, see the toys? Doll, ball and bat. Food also, you should eat a healthy food. Our parents also help us in our studies. They look after us when we fall ill. Okay. Then our grandparents take care of us when our parents are not at home. Also, as a family, we love and care one another. Grandparents means like if we have a joint family, that time we have a joint family. That time grandparents, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin. We also have fun with the family. Okay, see. We play with daddy, we play with mommy, we help mommy with household works. So our parents also play indoor and outdoor games. See, on holidays our parents take us to outings, to the zoo, circus, fair, garden and other places. Sometimes we also go out of during vacation. See now there is a question answers also which I will send it to you. Okay, so you have to write it in your notebook and you have to do this activity. See, if you don't have workbook, it's all okay. Okay, but once you get your books, you have to do all this in your workbook. Okay, so now we'll learn a chapter number 11, festivals and celebrations. Okay, festival means it's a festival which on our face happiness comes. अगर त्यौहार नहीं रहेंगे तो हमारा पूरा साल ऐसा ही अधूरा रहता है. तो त्यौहार रहने से हम त्योहारों में एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. जैसे हिंदू में दिवाली, होली, फिर दुशहरा, रक्षाबंधन, गुरुपर्व, ओके, ये सब हिंदू त्यौहार है. देन मुस्लिम्स फेस्टिवल इज ईद, देन Muharram. In Muharram, nobody celebrates, but it is known as a festival only. In Muharram, all people fast. They don't celebrate. They don't enjoy, like how we enjoy Diwali, Holi, and all. Then Christmas. Christmas is a festival of Christians. Okay, on that day, baby Jesus is born. And now festival. Festival time is fun time. Festival bring happiness to our family. We celebrate many festival. अगर फेस्टिवल ही नहीं रहेगा तो आप अपने घर कैसे सजाओगे? फेस्टिवल होगा तभी आप अपना घर लाइट्स, साफ सफाई, सब बर्तन धोगे, उसको फिर डेकोरेट करोगे, घर को, मंदिर को डेकोरेट करोगे, है ना. दिवाली. ओके, नाउ वी स्टार्ट विद दिवाली. सी, ऑन दिवाली वी बर्न क्रैकर्स. ओके. See, Diwali is the festival of lights. We light lamps and burst crackers. We share sweets and gifts to one another. Some people share sweets, some people share gifts. Holi is a festival of colors. We spray colors on one another. See? Yes. Then we celebrate Eid at the end of the holy month of Ramzan. We eat sweets called sevai. Sevai is made of milk and save, dry fruits. Okay. Now Dussehra. Dussehra is a festival that marks the victory of God of good over evil. We burn the effigy of रावणा ऑन दुशेरा. दशहरा मतलब उस दिन रावण को जलाते हैं. उस दिन मतलब ईवल मीन्स शैतानों को जलाया जाता है, जो गलत बात करते हैं, जो लाइक मीन्स किसी को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते, किसी को कुछ नहीं करते. उसी दिन दशहरा के दिन उनको जलाते हैं, रावण को उसी दिन जलाते हैं. Then it's come to Christmas. Christmas we celebrate on 25th December. We decorate the Christmas tree with lights and gifts. We give gifts to one another. On Guru Parab, we pray to Gurudwara. We take out a procession of the burst firecrackers. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brother and sister. The sister ties a rakhi on her brother's wrist and the brother gives her a gift. Everybody knows what is Raksha Bandhan. Navroz is a festival of a new year. We wish one another Saal Mubarak. Even for New Year we wish New Year. Celebrations. There are another special days of celebration in the family, like birthdays, then get together. We celebrate birthday of each family member. See what fun Rahul is having on his birthday. So you can see what fun he is having. Cutting cake, putting fancy hair caps, fancy face mask, then sweets, dinner, ice creams, cold drinks. You see balloons on your birthday. If your birthdays are there, you decorate your house like this only, no? Okay, no? So in school, we celebrate some special days. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. We hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem. Yes. In our school also we do. We hoist our flag in the garden, in the playground, and everybody comes in the morning and say Jana Gana Mana. Then we have Children's Day. On Children's Day, who was born? You know children? Who was born? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. On that day is known as Children's Day. because he used to love children very much. He was very fond of children. We celebrate Children's Day on 14 November. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September. We show our love and respect for our teachers. Here see, how many of y'all love your teachers? How many students respect their teachers on the Teachers' Day? And how many of y'all celebrate Teachers' Day in school? Everybody, na? Yes. So on that day, not only on that day, throughout your life you have to respect teachers. Your parent is your first teacher. Okay? Yes. So now you can see festival time is a sweet time. Name the festival and the following are specially made. Like on Diwali we make karanji, laddu, chakli, shankarpali, and then chuda we make. On Eid we make sevai. On Christmas we make cake. See, here are the question and answers, okay, that I will send it to you. Okay, here. So now today is the end of the lecture. I will send you the homework, and every student has to send me their homeworks. I am not seeing any students' homework. Make sure that everyone should do their homework on time. So one day I will take a PTA meeting. Okay? On that time, I will let you know what will be the time. Make sure it will be in the morning only, so everybody should attend the meeting. Okay, I will let you all know. Bye students. Take care and enjoy your sun weekend.